Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to the ultimate guide on repairing and cleaning your Conga 8290 laser. Today, we'll go through each step carefully to ensure you can follow along easily. Let's start with the tools you'll need for this process. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, tweezers, a soft cloth, and some isopropyl alcohol. These will help you disassemble the device and clean it effectively. Now, let's begin by turning off your Conga 8290 and unplugging it from the power source. Safety is paramount, so ensure you're working in a well-lit area. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the back of the device. There are typically 4 screws to take out. Once removed, gently lift the back cover off. Be cautious not to force it, as there might be clips holding it in place. If you're unsure or prefer not to handle this yourself, remember we offer a professional diagnosis without obligation. With the cover removed, you'll see the internal components. Take a moment to observe any visible dust or debris. Using the soft cloth slightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol, gently wipe down the internal surfaces. This will help remove any dirt that might be affecting the laser's performance. Next, let's focus on the laser itself. Locate the laser module and inspect it for any smudges or dust. If necessary, use tweezers to remove any debris carefully. Be very gentle to avoid damaging any components. If you find that you need a more thorough cleaning, consider our pickup and delivery service at your home. No calls, no travel needed, we make it easy for you. After cleaning the laser, check the connections and wiring for any signs of wear or damage. If everything looks intact, it's time to reassemble the device. Carefully place the back cover onto the device, ensuring that it aligns properly with the clips. Secure it by reinserting the screws you initially removed. Remember to tighten them just enough to hold the cover in place without stripping the screws. Before you power on the device, take a moment to ensure everything is back in its rightful place. If you're unsure about the repair or want a quote before any repair, don't hesitate to reach out. We can assist you with everything you need. Finally, plug in your Conga 8290 and turn it on. Test its functionality to ensure the cleaning and repairs were successful. With regular maintenance and care, your laser will perform optimally for a long time. Thank you for following this tutorial, and remember, for any difficulties, we are always here to help. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.